Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Lindsay and I will be running the Walt Disney World Goofy Challenge. Ugh. It's getting down to crunch time and I'm getting more and more nervous with each day, but also more and more excited with each day. This week was a really busy week with training, but also Disney released a ton of info about the races and it just made me that much more excited. So I'm like ready to go now. I have a million things I need to do to actually be ready, but like mentally and emotionally, I'm ready to just be there, get it going, and run a lot of miles around Walt Disney World. If you hear some kind of grumbly noises, I'm sorry, it's my dog chewing a bone. She is like right here. She also came with me on quite a few of my shorter runs and walks. She's a Labradoodle and has a lot of energy and definitely is good motivation to get outside when it is cold, because it's easy to just stay inside and stay on the couch and watch Star Wars movies, which we did plenty of because we were getting excited for the new movie to come out. It's nice to get outside and go for at least a short walk every day. And then of course those kind of weekday maintenance runs and walks. She's a good little buddy for that. Hello.
Hello.
The first double weekend of Goofy, I almost said Dopey again, Goofy training starts right now.
Right now.
Doubleheader weekend, starting with a 4-mile walk. It's supposed to be 8.5, but we're doing 4.
We're doing some.
Hey, look at that reflection. All right, Inception. All right, we're gonna go do our walk. We're bringing this little nugget with us, which is part of the reason we're only doing 4, but mostly also just because we aren't very well trained and I don't want to be real tired for a even longer run tomorrow. So 4 miles, here we go. Hey, quit pulling. Let's keep going.
Come on.
Lily's already seen a little doggo on this walk. You going the wrong way? We're going this way today. What you see, BB? How's he running? Hello, run people. I'm at the gym. I don't want to be at the gym. I'm at the gym. It's like a gloomy, gross, terrible day. Probably see some rain up on the windshield there. Instead of complaining about it being raining, I am going to say I am thankful it is not snowing. But I would prefer to be like, you know, on the couch watching Disney Plus. Instead, I have had a very busy day. Now I'm at the gym. Forgot my headphones, forgot my water, forgot my chapstick. I cannot run with chapped lips. Had to swing by the house to get those, and that was very annoying. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna like stay here and fall into the couch forever. But I didn't. I was good. I left my phone and wallet in the car so that I was like forced to come back out to the car because I know me. I'm set, so let's run. Woo! Happy weekday, happy Tuesday run, y'all. Boom, just got home from a little walkadoo with Bailey.
Come on, Bailey. Hey.
Where are you going, little bunny?
Here, I got the stick.
You
Ready?
run so silly.
Go get it. Bailey, it's right here. Come get the stick. Bailey, no, I have the stick of power.
Will debark the ground assault. Prepare to target the main.
Watch it. Is it scary? It's okay. They're gonna do it. I promise. Keep watching.
I wonder what leader.
We're gonna sneak her in the movie theater with us tomorrow. She doesn't know it. Getting drinks.
Bucket, drink.
Bucket.
And I don't think it says a movie yet, but you already know what we're going to see. And one more nice solid walk. Oh, look at you, TikTok star.
When millennials try to associate to Gen Z, we TikTok.
Yep, I'm a TikTok. We're out here doing a nice walk. It's very cold.
It's chilly.
It is the winter time. Enjoying a nice little walk. And we gotta finish some packing. And we good. Hello. Good manners. You're such a good girl. You look so silly in your sweater.
Bailey, shake.
Yeah.
Bailey, high five.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
So
You weren't done
excited.
yet. You weren't done yet.
Doubles.
Bailey, sit.
Yeah. Let's keep going, buddy.
Thanks your buddy, pal. Face. She gave up.
Bring it. Oh, you lost your stick. Oh, she got part of a Christmas tree. It was so cute. You gonna get this stick?
Oh, come on, baby.
Go, keep moving. Hey. Really wanted to talk about all of the stuff that Disney just kind of threw at us this week. And like I said, it was quite a bit. I have the webpage pulled up behind me. They released waivers, so you can officially like log in, print your waiver, and at the bottom of the waiver it has your bib number. And then they also released corrals later that day or the next day. I can't remember exactly the timeline. But they released the corrals, and so you can take your bib number from your waiver and match it up with the corrals and see where you will be. And the last thing that Disney released was the official course maps, which I kind of speculated on some changes last week based on just things I had heard from people who were kind of in the know or have friends in the know, and then also just people who do a lot more paying attention to the small details than I do. So that's it. That's all I have for you guys this week. I just wanted to kind of go over a little bit of my training since we've had some people message and ask. Last week I just kind of spewed some theories that I had heard through the grapevine, and now we have the official race map and all the changes. So let me know your thoughts on the changes. I'm really excited about some aspects of it and very curious about other aspects of it. I think either way it'll be a great race day, and we'll cut 2 race days for me, and I think it'll be fun. And I think more than anything it would be nice to just have something fresh and new. And yeah, we're still running on the Florida highways and on-ramps are the only hills and yada yada, but you know, a little bit of a change of pace every now and then is pretty nice. So I think for the most part that seems to be the vibe out there, that, you know, no more ESPN, people are pretty excited about. And yeah, I think I agree. Really curious what you have to say about the course, what you think. So tell me what races you're running and what you think of the new courses. But that's it for now. Have a great training week, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.